Hello everyone, welcome to InfinityCAD. In this today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Thickened cut feature in Solidworks. To learn this feature, make sure you watch this video till end. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll choose here front plane and select sketch. Let me draw one ellipse like this and select here OK. Now let's select here one center line, draw one like this and select OK. Now let's trim this bottom portion using power trim feature and select OK. Now let's assign some dimensions to this sketch. So I'll choose here smart dimension and select this point and this line. Give this dimension to be 30 mm. Let's give this horizontal dimension 120 mm and that's it. Select OK. Now let's go to features and select here revolved boss base. Select yes and see it's revolved. Now our object is ready. Let's choose here front plane and select sketch. Now on this I'll choose here circle. Draw one circle like this. Select OK. Again I'll choose here one center line and draw one center line like this. Select OK. Now let's trim this portion. Again select OK. Let's choose your smart dimension and give this somewhat 20 mm and that's it. Select OK. Now let's go to surfaces and choose your extruded surface. In this I'll choose here mid plane and let's assign some distance to be about 160 mm. Yeah, and it's going through all from the both sides, so this is perfect. Now let's select OK. Now what we will do is, you can see here thickened cut feature. Okay, now I will choose this feature. Then here you have to select this surface. You can see it's cutting from the both sides, upside direction and in downward direction. As we have selected this, if we choose this, it will only cut in the upward direction, and if we choose this, it will cut only in the downward direction. So what we will do is, we will just select this middle and it will cut in the both the sides, and let me give some dimensions like 5 mm and select OK, and you can see it's cut. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.